Hello friends and welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Today in this video we are making coconut jollof rice. So let's get started. In my pot I have my chicken neatly washed and I'm also adding my blended ginger garlic with basil. I added my all-purpose natural spice, some seasoning cube, salt, and then this my coconut. This after blending, so I added some of the milk to the chicken, give it a quick stir, then cover it and let it cook for some few minutes. After 45 minutes, checking on our protein, it is well cooked. I'll just take it off from the fire and then proceed with my frying process. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on it. This is GettyCooks. On this channel we make food recipes, and if you are interested, please consider subscribing to the channel and also hit on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a video. So please stay tuned. Okay fam, after frying our protein, I started with the stew and I have added some onion. I will let it fry for just some few minutes. Then after 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. I added my tomato paste, give this a quick stir and let it fry for additional 5 minutes. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thanks for being part of this wonderful family. To my returning subscribers, you guys are too much. Thank you for always using your precious time to watch my videos and also to leave a comment. I do appreciate it a lot. At this point, the tomato paste has fried very well, so I will also add my blended tomatoes, and I also added some of the meat stock to the tomatoes. Give this a quick stir, then cook this on a medium heat. So please stay tuned. Alright fam, checking on the stew, it is doing very well. As you can see, I'm just giving it a quick stir. Then I went ahead to add kilo hot pepper, some nutmeg, also added curry powder, my homemade all-purpose natural spice, and also added some powdered shrimps for extra flavor. I will stir everything together and let it cook for some more minutes. So now the stew is halfway cooked and it's time for me to add my seasoning cube and also my salt to taste. That salt I just added. I will stir this and then leave it on the fire for some few minutes. Okay guys, the stew at this point is well cooked and you can see that there's oil too at the surface, which indicates it is now ready. So I just fetch some and I'll set it aside. After that, I will add my washed rice to the stew. I will toast it for some few minutes. Then I will add my coconuts, the rest of the coconut milk to the rice. Okay guys, I toasted the rice for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes this is how it looks now. So I went ahead to add the rest of the coconut milk which I reserved, and I also added some salt to taste, which I thought my camera was taking. So I'll just give this a stir, then cover it and let it cook on a medium heat. Checking on the rice again after 15 minutes, I will just flip it over and it's still moist, so I went ahead to cover it with a parchment paper. You can also use aluminium foil for this. Then after covering, allow the heat to just gently cook the rice. So this is after covering, and our rice is almost ready. So I'll just flip it again and then cover it with the parchment paper for the last time. And if you are still watching up to this time and you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel and also like and share this video. So guys, our coconut jollof rice is well cooked. Just look at this beautiful color, and I really love the outcome. This looks so delicious, yummy and inviting. So I went ahead to add some spring onion, which is optional. You can also use any vegetables of your choice. So I would give this a stir, then cover it, let it steam for just 2 minutes because I still want the spring onions to be crunchy. And after that, our jollof rice will be fully and ready to be enjoyed. Okay, lovelies, our coconut jollof rice is all done and ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is simple and easy to make, and I hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and families. Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all. Bye.